beautiful sky here in Wisconsin. So Columbus, Wisconsin has almost 6,000 people. Nice hospital. Columbus, Wisconsin. Seems like all of the dental clinic in there. Well, the sign is gone. It probably said, "Welcome to Columbus." Nice little town. That's how it looks. Columbus, Wisconsin.
Buildings, because I see some old brick.
You see old bricks. That is Columbus, Wisconsin. Oh, and the freeway straight ahead, see?
Is it?
I thought I saw the freeway straight ahead.
Oh, it's a rail track. It's a rail.
Oh, it's a train.
There's nothing even called Main Street.
So this is it, I guess.
That's pretty much the extent of what we're seeing.
So that is Columbus, Wisconsin. So what is a nice church that I saw on the website?
Maybe it's up here. There's more buildings. I mean, I'm not seeing any other thing to go to here. Oh, Fuller Street.
It has to be downtown over here. Look at this building.
That's it. That's downtown. You want me to park in there?
Downtown Columbus, Wisconsin.
Is that what you want?
Let's double check here. What is that church? Jessica.
Left. Okay.
Left or right, whatever, so you can park somewhere. Whatever your heart desires, hon.
It's not what my heart desires. No.
Then how? Yeah.
This
That's
is
it.
not what my heart desires.
That's the building I was looking for. That's it. This is Columbus, Wisconsin. It says nice building. What is that, I wonder? It's like a hotel?
What?
That one. My baby strikes again.
No, like I said.
No,
you tell me where you want to go, and I'll get you there. But then you
Nice little
contradictory
town.
when I go one place. You say wherever you want. Oh no, go that. Whoa. Like you did in
boy.
Marinette.
That is beautiful. Beautiful Wisconsin. I wonder what the building is over there. Apartments?
Smokestacks? Well, that's apartments, but I thought you meant the smokestacks.
Oh, Santa Maria apartment. Wow. Santa Maria. What is that? Factories. Columbus, Wisconsin. I thought it was a church. I think it might be the city hall then.
Didn't have a sign.
I thought I saw an American flag in there. Looks nice and well maintained, I'll tell you.
Mm-hmm.
The clock is working still?
Doesn't look like it. It's way off.
See Columbus. Yeah, City Hall probably, see. That looks beautiful. Little downtown.
Train is finished. Awesome.
Perfect timing, huh? Perfect timing. Nice little town. Welcome to Columbus, Wisconsin. They have a museum. Oh my goodness. First sellers, yeah, Sellerman. Well, thank you for watching Jessica in Wisconsin, folks. That was Columbus, Wisconsin. It seems like this is coming up to Dodge County. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching us here at Jessica in Wisconsin.